So these are the materials that we're going to use. You're going to need your box that you want to decorate, white glue, glitter, and I'm using two, and I'm using a fork, so I'm going to mix those together, and a paintbrush for control for the glue. You can use any color you like. I'm going for blue and golden, but of course you can choose any other color you're comfortable with. You could go with one color, 4 colors, whatever you like. So I just mixed my two colors, blue and golden, together. I'm using a fork and also shaking the bowl. And now I'm going to just put the glue all over the little box, like that. And now I'm going to use my paintbrush to help spread the glue all over the box. Spread the glue all over, even on the sides, and cover the whole thing. Once you're done covering it with glue, you're going to take your glitter and you're just going to put it all over the box. And then you're going to remove the excess. I'm using a paper underneath to help me collect all the excess that's there, and just like that you're going to cover pretty much the whole box. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take the excess and put it back into the bowl like that, so you can keep on reusing that same one. The paper underneath helps with better control so that you don't have a mess going on everywhere. Trust me when I say this, I have glitter all over my table and had to clean it several times. And just like that, you're going to keep on repeating this step till the entire thing is covered. I didn't do the sides at that time, so I'm just going to put glue all over it and then cover it in glitter again. For the last part, I just added a cute little flower on top to complete the look. Moving on to the second idea. Again, you're going to need a box that you want to decorate, pearls, and a star charm, but you can use anything else that you like. Ribbon, glitter, paint, a paintbrush and palette, white glue, and a hot glue gun. After mixing my colors, I painted the top, and I'm using my finger to spread it out. So the reason why I'm using my finger and not a paintbrush was because a paintbrush was giving some gaps in between, so I'm just using my finger to smooth it out. Let me give you a close look of what I mean, and this is when it happens when I spread it out with my finger. Now I'm going to apply paint on the sides as well. Again, just using my finger and spreading it out like that. Once you're done, you're now going to wait for a few hours for the paint to dry and then proceed on to the next step. Once it's dried, now you're going to take the white glue and spread it on the top like that. I'm using a paintbrush to help me spread it around. And now I'm going to use my fingers to just spread it all over. Now I'm just going to take the glitter and put it on top of the glue like that. I'm not going to cover the entire thing with glitter like the previous one, just a little bit here and there. For the next part, we're going to take the pearl and the hot glue. Please be extremely careful while using it. You do not want to burn yourself. And I'm just going to place the pearl on like that. And now you're going to do this all around. Now that I'm done with that, I'm just going to take the star charm and put it in the middle like that. Like I mentioned before, you can use anything else that you like. Now I'm going to take my ribbon and measure how much I need. Now I'm going to take the white glue and put it on top of the ribbon like that. And you're just going to stick it like that to the side. This is the finished look. Comment down below what you thought of these ideas and whether you've tried them or not. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.